Hey guys, welcome back to my video, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys my squishy collection part 3. And my friend gave me this big squishy and this squishy package too. So I never took it off, but yeah. So first squishy I have is this squishy. I never put some tape yet, but I'm going to. So squishy. The second one is the squishy. And third squishy is this squishy. And then this squishy. And this squishy. It's so squishy.
Oh.
It's like my bean bag. And then I'm gonna go getting in my squishy package. Thank you for giving me this squishy package. This rainbow squishy package. Like there's open, but I really don't care if there's an open. And then this double squishy. It's like that's the squishy. Like they're the same color. It's really squishy. I like it.
This is my bulbulataw.
And then this squishy. It's so squishy. And literally, I have hiccups and so. And then this zebra squishy. Thank you for giving me this squishy. And one last, the big squishy.
Huh? Kenrelo.
It's so squishy, so this is fun.
Oh.
So I can sleep with it. It's like a pillow, she said. Because it's so squishy, and I literally like it. So this will go to my to my basket of squishies. So I made a bigger box of my squishy because the other one, it won't fit everything of my squishy. So it's still squishy. And look, it's so big right now. Like I can have a lot of squishy. So yeah. My favorite squishy here is the big squishy because like, look, it's so big. Like, this is the biggest squishy in the whole world. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So bye!